Hey guys, it's Katie here. I wanted to jump on here with a quick update about what Kartra has recently released. So Kartra has recently announced that there will be unlimited emails that you can send out and unlimited bandwidth, which means that you can host as many videos as you want, as many files as you want in your Kartra account. If you are if you have a package of silver and above, you have unlimited emails that you can send to your list and unlimited bandwidth as well. So that is a huge thing that Kartra has decided to do for us, for those of us who are a part of Kartra, of course. If you're not a part of Kartra, or if you're not using Kartra as a tool to build your business, and you want to learn more about it, go ahead and check out the link below this video. And what Kartra is basically, it's a all-in-one business solution. So whatever it is that you need to set up an online business, Kartra provides for you. For example, you can build pages with it, funnels. You can send emails with it. You can do tracking with it. You can host videos, you can create membership sites, help desk if you have customers and students and you want them to go and answer or ask questions. There is so many things that Kartra has that I can't even list all of them at the moment here. But if you want to learn more about it, if you're not if you're not using this tool yet, go ahead and check out the link below this video. And that's what I wanted to basically share with you. That is huge because a lot of people out there, that was the issue that people had. Even people who don't use Kartra, who are using GetResponse, Aweber, other tools out there to send emails, there's usually a limit to how many emails you can send. But now Kartra has an unlimited an option for you where you can send unlimited emails to your list if you have a silver package or above. So that is amazing, and also unlimited bandwidth as well. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to bring these exciting news for you guys, for all of you guys who are using Kartra, and also for those of you guys who don't but maybe want to look into using Kartra. I have personally been using Kartra for over 4 years. I was actually a beta member when they were just releasing, and when I came across Kartra, I was just blown away, and this was something that I've been looking for years. If I had this when I just started out online, it would make things so much easier for me, in creating or setting up an online business. So definitely look into it if you want to set up an online business. Also, I would strongly suggest you to look into it if you are looking for something that will actually save you money, because Kartra saves a lot of money because it has all these tools that you would use separately under one roof. So you just have to make one monthly payment, and it's actually very affordable too. Also, check out all the prices below. If you click the link below, you'll see all the prices there. But I was able to cut my my overhead, my business overhead, 3 times. So now I'm paying 3 times less than I was paying before Kartra, because I had to get all these tools separately, and every one of these tools that I used, like tracking, emailing, page builder, all these tools that I had to use separate, I had to pay a separate monthly payment for them. But now it's all under one roof, it's all on Kartra, and I only pay one small payment for Kartra, and use and have access to all these tools, plus a lot more tools actually. And Kartra is releasing new features and things almost every week. So it's definitely a great platform. There's a lot that you can do with it, and Go ahead and check it out if you want to learn more. And that's all. That's the update I wanted to bring for you guys. If you're not subscribed to my channel here, go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you as a part of the family here on YouTube, and watch out for my next video. I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.